Hi, welcome back. Another important session. Let's learn billing document posting status C. Posting document has been created. That means, accounting values received by finance department and sales team has sent values through billing document successfully. Okay. This is what we have seen last two statuses while fixing the issue. Okay. So let's try to get onto the SAP system. Okay. Before that, I would like to request, if you're not yet subscribed, to subscribe my channel to get more inputs like this. And here is the place where you can try my courses. Currently, I'm holding 6,000 plus students. All these are the different courses. This is my SD course, 112 hours with 425 lectures. Okay. When it comes to idocs, this is the right place. Irrespective of any function module, you can able to try these two courses, getting master to write functional specification. So these two courses 100% will drive and helpful to you for attempting an interviews while working in real time also. And I would like to tell you one thing. Before doing these two courses, never ever try for your real-time interviews. So you will be on toss. How many interviews you will try to? If you would like to check out of 30 interviews as a trial and error, one interview to be successful, or else out of 30 interviews, 25 interviews, if you wanted to be successful, these two courses you must have to do it. And apart from that, my prime topic is pricing. Currently, I'm holding 2,000 plus students. If you have pricing questions and pricing concepts, it will be covered. And this is for pricing on S4 HANA with advanced standard concepts. I'm just providing these links below of this video. Currently, I'm holding 820 plus videos. If you really wanted to know better, if you would like to have a good knowledge, you can try all these courses. Let me try to log into the SAP system quickly, and we can able to check what could be the successful scenarios on this. Okay, let's give it a try. So generally, if you check any document, if successfully pass it to accounting, the status will show. This I have already proved. Till now, we had a discussion about, see, this is the status, you will get it if it is successful. So till now, what we have checked? We have checked billing document blocked for forwarding, and this is posting document not create accounting document error. And we have seen this error in accounting interface. We'll try to check as much as possible the statuses one by one. Okay, let's try to create like order. I'll show you few documents where you can able to see the successful result. Okay. So let's try to create a sales order. Let's save this and then try to create a billing delivery document. Followed by that. So let's try to check this. So let's do the PZA. So let's try to do the bill now. So now you can able to see this. If everything is all right, the status, something showing error in accounting terminal, let's give it, let's try to save this. First it's works. Okay. Let's try to check the status now. So let's try to go to the change mode or display mode, press enter, go to the header. So this is C, posting document has created. Let's try to copy this invoice. I would like to show few more successful scenarios. So let's try to create it. Let's try to create a debit memo with reference to this or without this, anywhere for that matters. Okay, you can try all the way to check the status. So let's remove the billing block and let's try to choose the order reason. Okay, can be anything. So maybe like you are just trying to call out. Okay, probably this is the right reason. So test dr status. So let's save this. Okay, now let's go to our targeted document. Here you can able to see the debit memo. By default, this is the status. When you save this, if it is successful, then you can able to see this one, the status. Now it is got changed to C. Okay, so now it is posted. So it's successfully posted. Okay, we would like to see accounting document also, you can able to see. Okay, so in the similar way, credit memo, debit memo, returns, free of charge, whatever the document you take. Okay, so let's check CR also for this. So either manual or else with reference, it doesn't matter. It's all about the status you would like to check. So let's press this. And if it is successful, the status should be C. That's what the target we're supposed to get. So CR test. Let's save this. So let's try to build this. So again, you check default will be the error. If you save this, it will be changed to successfully C status. Okay. This is how it works. C status. You can take returns, you can take free of charge, you can take debit memo, credit memo, you can take intercompany sales, you can take consignment sales, you can take third-party sales, all business processes. If the values are posted successfully, it will show you the C actually. Okay, this is how you can learn field by field. Thanks for joining the session. If you really wanted to get into the session, so you can subscribe my channel. So let's check next posting status. Till that time, signing off. Jagdish Kumar Raidu. Jai Bharat. Have a great day.